How to change your mobile number on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snapchat. Then as you see when your Snapchat is opening, you go here and click on your profile. Then you go here and click on settings. After settings there is a lot of options. You go to mobile number. You click, then you will edit this number or you add a new number. Then when you finish, you click verify. Then Snapchat will send you a message on your mobile number, and then you will verify your number, and that's it. It will change automatically. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.